See how quiet that is? I'm gonna try to throttle it up. I bet you it's got a plugged exhaust. Seems to be idling okay. It will not rev up. There's one of two things. Either your exhaust string is plugged up, which is it's really quiet. So I'm pretty 99% sure that's what it is. Or your ignition coil is stuck in the retard mode. Your ignition coil is faulty. And I've actually seen coils run at idle but won't rev up because it won't advance the timing. So let's get this screen pulled off and see if we can get this guy going. I'll just have to tell him that man, I wasn't gonna let it go and it'll stop the exhaust. Guys, I'm running out of daylight real quick, so I apologize for the lighting. My outside lights will kick on. My LED lights for the shop for the outside will kick on, and hopefully we'll be all right. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this top cover off. Whoops, went the wrong way on you. T27s. There's one right here. The correct thing to do would be to pull that screen and clean it. But since I don't live in a national forest, I'm just gonna pull this screen out for test purposes. I'll clean her up a little later, put it back in. Got anything else anywhere? Spark plug wire. There we go. You don't have to take it all the way off, just let it dangle there. The screws for the spark arrestor screen are also T27s. There's 3 of them. One here. There, and one right here. Just go ahead and get those all off. Here's you a good shot of the muffler screen. As you can tell, this will get blocked up with carbon and deposits here, but the main culprit is going to be right here. May have to get you a razor knife or a blade, pocket knife to lift that gasket up off of there. And as we can tell, that screen is just completely blocked, letting no exhaust through there. Let's reassemble it right quick and retest it. Alright, let's go ahead and see what she sounds like now. I'm not even going to choke it or nothing. It should idle okay right now. Switch on. Sounds a whole lot better already. Tell you what, you just can't beat a no echo. But I'm probably going to call him and try to upsell, even though he said all he wanted was a primer bulb. If I'd have shipped it with just a primer bulb, he'd have been madder than a wet hen and probably KO'd this thing across around a tree or something. But he was already pissed off it wouldn't start when he got it out of storage. So it's fixed. Whether or not he upsells, I'm still going to charge him, you know, for putting the primer bulb on, and it's a half-hour labor whether I did the daggum screen cleaning or not. So it's the same price, so it's not, he's not out any money. But anyway, if you have any questions about Echo trimmers, let me know. More Medic One. Oh, you know, I've been telling myself to keep trying to mention to y'all, if this video helped you out, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Tremendously has helped my channel if you'll just subscribe. And when you hit the subscribe button, right to the right of it is going to be a bell that pops up. If you'll click that bell, you'll get all my new videos that I post. And but anyway, I'll quit rambling and let y'all get back to y'all's rat killing. Y'all have a good day. More Medic One.